Our universe is a vast and wondrous place filled with mysteries and marvels that stretch beyond our wildest imaginations. It's teeming with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets, each with its own unique story and potential for discovery. In this cosmic ocean, our sun is but a single grain of sand, a tiny beacon in the vast expanse of space. But around a star, just a cosmic stone's throw away, lies a world that has captivated our imagination and sparked countless questions. This star, our nearest stellar neighbor, is called Proxima Centauri. It's a part of the Alpha Centauri star system, which is the closest star system to our own. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, a type of star that is smaller and cooler than our sun, but incredibly common in our galaxy. It's smaller and cooler than our sun, emitting a faint reddish light that is quite different from the bright yellow glow of our own star. Orbiting this red dwarf, at a distance of just a few million miles, is Proxima Centauri B, or Proxima B for short. This exoplanet is special for many reasons. It's close to the size of Earth, and it orbits within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone, the region where temperatures might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. This makes it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. The discovery of Proxima B sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. Researchers and astronomers around the world began to speculate about the possibilities this new world might hold. Here, practically on our cosmic doorstep, was a world that could potentially harbor life. The idea that we might not be alone in the universe suddenly seemed a little more plausible. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's take a closer look at what makes Proxima B so intriguing. From its potential for liquid water to its unique position in the habitable zone, Proxima B offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities that lie beyond our own solar system. Proxima B is about 1.3 times the mass of Earth, making it slightly larger and potentially more massive than our home planet. This increased mass makes it a prime candidate for a rocky terrestrial planet like our own, with a solid surface that could potentially support various geological features. But what really sets Proxima B apart is its unique location in the cosmos. It orbits within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for life. The habitable zone is the region around a star where temperatures are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet, which is crucial for sustaining life. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it, serving as a solvent for biochemical reactions and a medium for nutrient transport. This makes planets in the habitable zone prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial life, as they have the potential to host environments where life could thrive. Proxima B's presence in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee the existence of liquid water, let alone life, due to various factors like atmospheric composition and surface conditions, but it does make it a tantalizing possibility, sparking curiosity and further investigation from scientists around the world. To understand the conditions on Proxima B's surface, we need to take a closer look at its host star, Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star that influences the planet's environment and potential habitability. Proxima Centauri, though a close neighbor cosmically speaking, is a star that holds many mysteries and surprises. It is a very different star from our Sun, which is classified as a yellow dwarf. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, much smaller and cooler than our own yellow dwarf star. Red dwarfs, despite their size, have a significant impact on their surroundings. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in the Milky Way galaxy, making up about 70% of all stars. While Proxima Centauri's smaller size might make its habitable zone seem cozier, it also presents some unique challenges for any potential life forms. Red dwarfs are notorious for their intense stellar flares, which are sudden bursts of radiation that can be harmful to life as we know it. These powerful flares could strip away a planet's atmosphere or even boil away any surface water, making it difficult for life to sustain. The frequency and intensity of these flares are a major concern when considering the habitability of planets around red dwarfs. These flares can occur multiple times a day, creating a harsh environment. Proxima Centauri is no exception to this rule. It is known to be a rather active flare star. This activity has led some scientists to question whether Proxima B, a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, could hold on to an atmosphere, let alone support life. The constant bombardment of radiation poses a significant challenge for any potential habitability. Despite these challenges, the search for life continues. Scientists are intrigued by the possibility that life could adapt to such extreme conditions. With advanced telescopes and future missions, we hope to learn more about Proxima Centauri and its potential to host life. The mysteries of this temperamental sun continue to captivate our imagination.